Hi, today we are going to look at this beautiful antique looking chair. It's the leather which is antique look. It's supposed to be a Neebuck, but as you can see with the period of time, maybe 2-3 years. By the way, this chair is made by an Italian company called Baxter, and there you see. It's a very premium company. But you see, this is what happens when you have a premium chair, but you are not given the right chemicals or the cream to maintain it. And the boys who maintain these palaces and houses, they use any water, any chemical on daily basis to clean it. And this is what happens to the leather after it has been cleaned by a wrong material. Fortunately, it has come to Leatech, and I would like to show you how we can restore this beautiful leather chair. Beautiful antique looking, metallic, fantastic, very beautifully made. Look at the finishing, it's so beautiful. I can imagine how beautiful this chair was when it was manufactured, but now you see, these are all watermarks, scratches. So we just take a cotton cloth. I think maintenance of leather is something which is very, very important in the course of days when we share with you more details about the restoration. I think a majority of the time we'll be talking about how to maintain leather furniture or leather goods in your house or in your office. Fortunately, today among the hundreds of material which Leatech manufactures, we're going to just use one chemical, which is a very soft on hand and the leather, which is leather protection cream. A cotton cloth and a detailing foam. So let me show you how to do this. Just mix this again, leather protection cream. Pour it. This much is good enough. You see how it looks.